Feeling frustrated about your Xiaomi Mijia G1 robot vacuum that won't turn on and won't charge? Are you looking for a professional assistant to help you? There's no need to worry, just take a look at what we've been able to accomplish to solve our customers' problems. Our customer brought us Xiaomi Mijia G1 robot vacuum, which would not turn on, could not take charges, and couldn't go to home bin. Then we took over the robot vacuum and started diagnosing it. We suspected the battery might be problematic. So we investigated further and tried a new battery. Let's take a look at this. The robot vacuum works well after we replace the battery. So we tell the customer that the problem is a faulty battery and it needs to be replaced. As the robot vacuum is quite old, we see that its efficiency has decreased, so we also recommend a deep cleaning service to restore the robot's performance. Once our customer agrees to our recommendations, we start repairing it according to our agreement. Our next step is to do unit tests to make sure the robot vacuum works without any problems. Now that the robot vacuum is working perfectly and performing well, everything is perfect. Need help with your robot vacuum? Let us be your solution.